the cassava. This is how it looked like. This is how I bought it. I bought 3. I used the first one. I'll use this one during the week as well. You can see I've already chopped this into pieces, into cubes, and I'm going to blend it because the blender is not that strong, it's not powerful, you know, so I'm going to chop it. This is the strongest part, so this have to be a lot of cubes.
So as you can see here, this is my semolina. This is my semolina I'm going to use. I'm going to use this semolina with my corn fine mill right here. I don't know if you can see that. I've already blended the cassava. So this is the corn meal. This is how it looks like. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to mix it here, you know, so you can see exactly what I'm doing, because I want to have a proper nice texture. And my salt as well in here, right? And we're just going to mix it and mix it. You know, spending the weekend at home is pretty amazing, you know. We're planning to go to Lichfield right now after the food, so guys, you know, hopefully I can show you guys that part of the country as well. The weather is looking amazing today, like having a weekend at home and chilling with this weather is pretty amazing. So let's finish cooking this banku right now. This is how you cook the banku from Volta region, Ghana, Akple, you know. Yeah, can you do that? If you can stay like this, please do let me know. I think the skills came when I was growing up in Ghana. My mom used to teach us, you know, like life hustles. You have to know how to cook, because if you can't cook and you get stuck, like right now when I'm in the UK and I'm missing home, I need to eat Ghana food, so I'm cooking it because my mom taught me how to cook this. Yeah, you just have to stir paddle for a few minutes, you know, just keep looking at it. You can add water just to make sure the texture is perfectly well for your taste, but I will make sure you stir paddle for a few times. Cover it, let it heat, slow heat, high heat. You just have to keep monitoring and see what it looks like. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the rest of the video. While you're watching the video, please consider liking and subscribing if you're not a subscriber. It's very, very important. It let the video get to multiple audience. So this is how you cook banku and Akple. Thank you so much.